What if I told you that your smartphone, the device you're probably watching this on right now, could become your personal ATM, spitting out cash every single day? It sounds like something from a sci-fi movie, but in 2025, it's not just possible, it's happening for millions of people around the world. We're not talking about complex trading strategies or needing a huge pile of cash to start. We're talking about simple, powerful apps that can turn your spare change into a daily income stream. Stick with me, because today I'm revealing the top 3 investment apps that are designed to pay you daily. And the best part, they're changing lives in regions like Africa, Asia, and Latin America. We'll break down how each one works, what makes them unique, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to get started on your own journey to daily earnings. The future of making money is right here in your hands, so let's unlock its potential together. Alright, let's dive right into the one you've been waiting for. My number 1 pick, the absolute game changer in the world of daily paying apps, is one that has completely redefined what's possible for investors, especially those looking for instant results. This is the app I personally use and recommend to all my friends and family. Why? Because it combines a user-friendly interface with powerful investment opportunities that can generate returns not just weekly or monthly, but daily. And when I say daily, I mean you can see the results of your investments and actually access your earnings within 24 hours. This feature is revolutionary, particularly for those who need consistent cash flow. So, how does it work? This app focuses on high-frequency opportunities in dynamic markets. Think of it like this. Instead of buying a stock and waiting years for it to grow, this platform allows you to tap into short-term market movements. It uses sophisticated algorithms to identify potential profit opportunities, and you can get started with a very small amount of capital. You don't need to be a Wall Street guru to understand it. The app guides you through the process with clear instructions and real-time data. You simply choose an asset, decide on your investment amount, and the platform does the heavy lifting. The most incredible part is its instant payout system. Once your investment generates a profit, you can withdraw it directly to your account almost immediately. This is unheard of in traditional investing and is a massive advantage for anyone living in fast-paced economies across Asia, Africa, and Latin America, where quick access to funds can make all the difference. This isn't just an investment app, it's a tool for financial empowerment. Coming in at number 2 is another fantastic platform that's making serious waves. This app is perfect for those who are a little more hands-off and prefer a set-it-and-forget-it approach while still enjoying the benefits of daily earnings. It specializes in what's known as dividend investing, but with a modern twist. Traditionally, dividends from stocks are paid out quarterly. You buy a share in a big, stable company, and every 3 months, they send you a small piece of their profits. It's reliable, but it's slow. This app changes the game by pooling investments into a portfolio of high-dividend assets from around the globe and then distributing the earnings to its users on a daily basis. Here's the genius behind it. Instead of you having to research and buy individual dividend stocks, the app's team of experts curates a diversified portfolio for you. This portfolio might include real estate investment trusts, high-yield bonds, and international dividend stocks. By diversifying, they minimize risk while maximizing the potential for steady income. Your job is simple. You deposit funds into your account, and the app automatically invests it across this portfolio. Every day, as these assets generate income, your share of the profits is calculated and added to your balance. You can watch your earnings accumulate in real time, and while the payouts might be smaller on a daily basis compared to our number 1 pick, they are incredibly consistent. It's like owning a tiny piece of hundreds of profitable ventures all at once. This app has strong support and is growing rapidly in markets across Southeast Asia and parts of Latin America, offering a stable and reliable way to build a daily passive income stream. Now, for our number 3 spot, we have an app that takes a completely different, yet equally exciting, approach. This one is all about the power of peer-to-peer, or P2P, lending. If you've ever thought, I'd rather my money help a real person than a big corporation, then this is the app for you. P2P lending cuts out the traditional banks. Instead of depositing your money in a savings account for a tiny interest rate, you're lending it directly to other individuals or small businesses who need a loan. In return, you earn a much higher interest rate on your money, and with this app, the interest is paid back to you daily. Let me break down the process. The platform thoroughly vets all borrowers, checking their creditworthiness and ability to repay. As an investor, you can browse through different loan requests, see the interest rate offered, and choose who you want to lend to. Or, even better, you can use their Auto Invest feature, which automatically diversifies your investment across hundreds of different small loans to minimize risk. As the borrowers make their daily or weekly repayments, a portion of the principal and interest flows directly back into your account. Every single day, you can log in and see your earnings trickle in. It is an incredibly empowering feeling to know your money is not only working for you but also helping someone else achieve their goals, whether it is a student in Kenya paying for tuition or a small shop owner in Brazil expanding their business. This model has become particularly popular in regions like Africa and parts of Asia, where access to traditional credit is limited, creating a true win-win situation for both lenders and borrowers. It's a powerful way to earn daily while making a tangible social impact. So there you have it, 3 distinct, powerful ways to start earning a daily income right from your phone in 2025. We covered my top recommendation, the app with high-frequency opportunities and instant payouts that's perfect for active earners. We talked about the automated dividend app, ideal for those who want a steady, hands-off passive income stream. And we explored the world of P2P lending, for those who want to earn daily while making a positive impact. Each of these apps opens up a world of financial opportunity that was once reserved for the wealthy and well-connected. Now, it's accessible to anyone with a smartphone, no matter where you are, be it Lagos, Manila, or Sao Paulo. The key is to take the first step. Knowledge is only potential power. Action is where real power lies. You don't need to start with a fortune. Start small, learn the platform, and see the results for yourself. The feeling of waking up to a notification that you've earned money while you were sleeping is something you have to experience. It changes your entire mindset about money. If you're ready to start your journey and see what's possible, I highly encourage you to try my favorite app, the one that offers those incredible daily earnings and instant payouts. I've left a direct link for you in the description below. Go ahead and check it out. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on more strategies to build your wealth.